Long-time viewers must be sick to death of me talking about cup holders and coming up with new ones. If you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. Thank you very much for coming here, and please subscribe and like and all that stuff. So ever since I've had this channel, I've been trying to find ways to address the dreadful cup holder that the Citroen C5 X7 came with as standard, because it's in here. It's useless. It's full of rubbish anyway. Not a very practical place to have a cup holder. My very first iteration was one that stuck out of the dash using this slot here. The second one was one that went here, but it's only for cars without hydropneumatic suspension or an e-brake. The third one was a fixed one, a lot like this one. And then you've got this one. So what's so special about it? There, it's retractable. Just like the previous cup holders, I'm going to make this available as a 3D printable file. Let me just clear that up very quickly. You don't exactly buy the physical object. You buy a file which you then 3D print. If you've got a 3D printer at home, all is hunky-dory. If you don't have a 3D printer at home, you can take it to 3D printing service and ask the man there, please print this in, for example, black ABS at 0.2mm resolution with 15% infill. And the next day, he'll give you one of these, which you just have to slot into the car. Now, the advantages to this is really that you can have this ready very quickly indeed, and it should be cheaper as well. But you don't have to wait for this to be shipped, especially now since we're close to Christmas and postal services are overwhelmed. Anyway, as usual, the links to the page where you can get it are below. There's also an instructional video, because there's a lot to go through with this cup holder. As with all the other ones, it can take cans and bottles and coffee cups. You can put it into all gears, and in principle you won't be smashing your knuckles up against the cup holder. So I think the only thing that's left for me to say is thank you very much to all of those who liked the previous cup holders and bought some. That was brilliant, and it really helped. Without them, I would not have made this version, because this took a long time to make. I mean, I went through a lot of prototypes, and I mean a lot of prototypes. That's a lot of hours and material spent 3D printing. So I appreciate very much all those who have bought them in the past, because they really gave me the incentive necessary to continue. This is probably going to be the last cup holder I make, because now I don't have access to the 3D printer I used to. It wasn't mine, it was a mate of mine, and he let me use it, but he's moving away this week. So that's it for cup holders. So basically that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to click on the link below to go and see more about this cup holder on the CG Trader page. For those who are interested, there are some funky t-shirts available on comfortablecar.club. And I thank you very much for watching. I bid you farewell.